Gentlemen, take a moment and think about the bottle of extra virgin olive oil in your kitchen. You use it for cooking, but what if I told you it could noticeably change how your body feels as soon as tomorrow morning, not by eating it, but by applying a small amount to specific areas before bed? I know that sounds unusual, so let me be clear right away. This isn't a gimmick. It's about circulation, inflammation, tissue health, and calming the nervous system. And for many men over 50, those are the real drivers of firmness, energy, and feeling like your body is working again. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where to apply olive oil for the best effect, why those areas matter for men after 50, and how to combine olive oil with a couple of other natural oils strategically if you want to take it further. Before we begin, tell me, how old are you and where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments. Now let's start with the first application zone, the one almost every man overlooks, the lower abdomen. Now let's start with the first area, and this is where most men are genuinely surprised. It's not the genitals, it's the lower abdomen, the area between your navel and your pubic bone. This region is one of the most important yet overlooked zones for male circulation and sexual function. Beneath this area run the internal iliac arteries, the main blood highways that supply the pelvis, prostate, and erectile tissue. When blood flow here becomes sluggish, everything downstream feels the effect. Weaker firmness, slower arousal, reduced morning energy. And here's what many men don't realize. You can have normal testosterone levels on paper, but if circulation through this region is restricted, performance still suffers. Hormones can't do their job without blood flow. When olive oil is applied to the skin, its fatty acids and antioxidants penetrate deeply into the tissue. Compounds like oleic acid and squalene are readily absorbed, helping reduce local inflammation and improve vessel flexibility. That matters because inflamed or stiff blood vessels don't respond well to arousal signals. This is where technique matters. Warm about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil between your hands. Cold oil doesn't absorb as well and causes the body to tense. Place both hands just below your navel and begin slow, clockwise circles, gradually moving downward toward the pubic bone. The pressure should be firm but comfortable, steady, intentional, unhurried. Think of it less like rubbing and more like gently waking the tissue up. That clockwise motion isn't arbitrary. It follows natural digestive flow and lightly stimulates the vagus nerve, which plays a major role in relaxation, arousal, and hormone balance. Within a few minutes, many men notice a spreading warmth across the pelvis. That's not imagination, that's circulation responding. From a clinical standpoint, this does 3 important things at once. It improves blood delivery to the pelvic region, it reduces low-grade inflammation that interferes with vascular response, and it signals the nervous system to shift out of stress mode and into repair mode. That shift matters more than most men are ever told. A tense nervous system constricts blood vessels. A calm one allows them to open. Spend 3 to 5 minutes here. No rushing. This is foundational work. You're preparing the entire system downstream. And once this area begins receiving better blood flow, every other zone we're about to cover becomes more responsive. The first application zone surprises most men. The lower abdomen, the area between your navel and pubic bone. It doesn't look important, but physiologically, it's one of the most critical regions for male circulation. Beneath this area run major blood vessels that feed the entire pelvic region, including the prostate and erectile tissue. When circulation here slows, which is very common after 50, everything downstream suffers. By massaging olive oil into this area before bed, you're doing 2 things at once. You're improving local blood flow, and you're signaling the nervous system to relax, which is essential for nighttime recovery and hormone balance. Here's how to do it properly. Warm about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil between your hands. Cold oil doesn't absorb as well. Place both hands just below your navel and massage slowly in clockwise circles, moving gradually downward toward the pubic bone. Use firm but comfortable pressure. Slow, steady, intentional. Do this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Many men feel warmth spreading across the pelvis within minutes. That's not imagination. It's increased circulation and reduced tension in tissue that may have been undersupplied for years. This one step alone often improves morning energy, pelvic comfort, and erection quality over time, and it sets the foundation for the next areas, which build on this effect. Now we move to an area most men have never been taught to think about, yet it may have the most direct impact on firmness, sensitivity, and control. The perineum. This is the small area between the scrotum and the anus. It's not a topic that comes up in casual conversation, but physiologically, it's one of the most important regions in the male body. artery. Beneath the surface lies the root of the penis, major veins and arteries, and a dense network of nerves connected to the pelvic floor and prostate. In simple terms, this area acts like a central junction point where circulation, nerve signaling, and muscular control all meet. As men age, this region often becomes tight, compressed, and undercirculated. Long hours of sitting, stress, and shallow breathing all contribute to chronic tension here. When that happens, blood flow is restricted and nerve signals weaken. That can show up as reduced firmness, slower arousal, or erections that don't feel as full or responsive as they used to. This is why physical therapists and urologists sometimes use perineal massage as part of treatment plans for erectile dysfunction and pelvic pain. Improving circulation and releasing tension here can make a meaningful difference. Olive oil is particularly well suited for this area. It's naturally antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and deeply nourishing to delicate tissue. Combined with gentle massage, it helps soften tension while encouraging healthy blood flow. Here's how to do it safely and effectively. Warm about 1 teaspoon of olive oil between your fingers. Apply it gently to the perineum and use small, slow circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. You do not need pressure. This tissue is sensitive, and the goal is stimulation and relaxation, not force. Breathe slowly while you do this. Deep breathing helps the pelvic floor release even further. Many men notice a subtle warmth spreading through the pelvis within minutes. That's not imagination. It's circulation improving and muscles letting go. Over time, this practice can help improve erection quality, increase sensitivity, and reduce the feeling of disconnect some men experience during arousal. It can also ease pelvic tension that builds from prolonged sitting, which is why men who work desk jobs often report significant improvement from this step alone. This area has been recognized in multiple traditional systems as a center of male vitality, not for mystical reasons, but because of its anatomical importance. When circulation and nerve signaling here improve, everything downstream benefits. Now let's talk about an area most men don't immediately connect to sexual performance, the lower back, especially the region just above the tailbone. At first glance, this might seem unrelated, but neurologically it's critical. This area contains the lumbar and sacral nerve plexuses, the nerve highways that carry signals from your brain to the pelvic floor, prostate, and erectile tissue. These nerves control arousal, erection quality, and orgasm. When the muscles and connective tissue in the lower back become tight or inflamed, those nerve signals can become partially compressed. Think of it like a kink in a hose. The signal still gets through, just not as clearly or as strongly. That's why men with chronic lower back stiffness often notice slower arousal, reduced sensitivity, or erections that feel less responsive, even when hormones are fine. Olive oil massage helps here in 2 ways. First, it improves local blood flow, bringing oxygen and nutrients to tissues that may have been undernourished for years. Second, the warmth and pressure help release muscular tension, which allows nerve signals to travel more freely again. Here's how to do it. Use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Warm it between your hands. Massage the lower back using firm, slow circular motions, starting just above the tailbone and working upward and outward. Spend about 4 to 5 minutes here. If you find a spot that feels tender or sore, slow down and stay there a little longer. That tenderness often indicates long-standing tension or nerve compression. As that tension releases, many men notice a deep sense of relaxation, sometimes even a wave-like feeling through the pelvis or legs. That's a good sign. It means nerve communication is improving. If reaching your lower back is difficult, you can ask your partner to help or use a small massage roller coated with oil. Over time, this step doesn't just support sexual function. Men often report less back stiffness, better sleep, and improved posture, all of which indirectly support testosterone and energy. Once nerve signaling improves, the body becomes more responsive overall. Now let's move to the final area, and this one surprises almost everyone the first time they hear it: the soles of your feet. At face value, it doesn't seem connected to male vitality at all, but neurologically and hormonally, it plays a powerful role, especially at night. The feet contain thousands of nerve endings, and in reflexology, specific zones along the arch are linked to the pelvic organs, adrenal glands, and reproductive reproductive system. Whether you care about reflexology or not, the nervous system response is very real. When you stimulate the feet slowly and deliberately, you activate the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and restore mode. This matters because testosterone production, tissue repair, and nerve recovery all peak when the body feels safe, calm, and deeply relaxed. Most men today live in a constant low-grade stress state, which quietly suppresses those processes. Here's how to do it. Before bed, sit comfortably. Use a small amount of olive oil, about a teaspoon per foot. Massage the sole of the foot for about 3 minutes each, focusing especially on the arch and the area just below the ball of the foot. Use your thumbs to apply firm but comfortable pressure. If you find a tender spot, slow down and breathe as you work through it. Tenderness often means that area hasn't been stimulated properly in years. What most men notice is immediate. Breathing slows, the jaw unclenches, the shoulders drop, the mind quiet. That shift tells your nervous system it's safe to move into recovery mode. Many men report falling asleep faster, sleeping more deeply, and waking with better morning firmness. Not because of stimulation, but because circulation and hormone signaling are finally being supported overnight. At this point in the routine, your skin, blood vessels, nerves, and nervous system have all been gently activated and nourished. But there's one way to take this entire protocol a step further, by enhancing olive oil with a few carefully chosen companion oils that deepen absorption and amplify results. By now, olive oil alone is already doing important work, improving circulation, calming inflammation, and helping your nervous system shift into recovery mode. For men who want stronger results, olive oil can be lightly enhanced without complicating things. Start with extra virgin olive oil as your base. If you want to upgrade it, add rosemary essential oil, supports circulation and testosterone signaling. Peppermint oil gently increases microcirculation. Sandalwood oil helps calm the nervous system and support reproductive balance. Mix these into a small dark glass bottle. This becomes your nighttime vitality oil. For men with deeper pelvic or lower back tension, you can optionally blend olive oil with a small amount of castor oil for those areas. That's it. No need to overdo it. Now let me simplify the routine, because simplicity is what makes this sustainable. About an hour before bed, lower abdomen, 3 minutes. Inner thighs, 1 to 2 minutes per leg. Perineum, about 1 minute. Gently lower back, 3 minutes. Soles of the feet, 2 minutes each. That's 15 minutes total. Not perfect, just consistent. Most men notice deeper sleep first, then better morning energy, and over time, firmer, more reliable erections as circulation and nerve signaling improve. Before we finish, I want to briefly mention something many men ask me about: how to tie circulation, hormones, sleep, and intimacy into something practical. That's why I created the all-in-one Men's Vitality and Intimacy Blueprint, a clear, step-by-step guide for men over 50 who want to restore energy, confidence, and connection naturally. You'll find it linked below and in the pinned comment. I've also linked the 4 natural supplements I trust most for erections, stamina, testosterone balance, and prostate comfort for men who want additional support. And remember, this channel is a safe space. Drop your age and where you're watching from in the comments. As men age, this isn't the end of vitality. It's a smarter beginning. I'm Dr. Aria Brooks, and I'll see you in the next video.